Welcome back. The winter storm could cause schools to delay or close completely. ABC 17's Joshua Blount checked in with schools to find out what goes into making some of these decisions.
I spoke with Columbia Schools and the Jefferson City School District today about their protocols. Ice, snow, cold temperatures, and bad roads can be determining factors of schools being in session. Columbia Public Schools and Jefferson City Schools says they usually don't consider closing school or delaying start times until the roads have been tested. In Jefferson City, if the winter storm comes in during the early hours, the Director of Transportation will drive key roads to see if they're safe. CPS says it typically notifies the community by 6 in the morning or sooner if it decides to close. But if parents decide conditions are too bad for their child to be in school, Columbia Public Schools will excuse the student's absence. Parents from both districts can stay informed by receiving calls, texts, and emails from the school's district's notification systems. People can also check the school district's website for information as well. You can also find a full list of closings and cancellations on our website, abc17news.com.
Okay, and actually within the last couple of minutes, Columbia Public Schools will not be in session tomorrow. We are seeing that tweet from the CPS district spokesperson that school will not be in session Thursday, February 17th. I also want to add that MU system, the UM system and MU campus will also shift to remote operations. So they still will be operating. It'll just be in remote.